Earlier this year, we, along with Pantheon, formalized our mission of fueling every personalized experience with the Lytics user profile. This meant erasing traditional barriers associated with cost and complexity. As a result, we brought you the developer tier, a cost and risk-free entry point. No strings attached. We released our official Drupal module, putting all of the tools necessary for real-time personalization within reach. And today, we are excited to announce the next step on that path. WordPress. For the first time ever, we've embedded Lytics data management, identity, insights, and personalization capabilities directly into your content management system. So, what do you get with WordPress, you might ask? First and foremost, our WordPress plugin makes installation and setup a breeze. Simply create a free account, generate an access token, install the plugin, and activate it. That's all you need to get started. Lytics will automatically begin building profiles based on your anonymous word traffic. Each profile will be enriched with a variety of useful attributes and insights, including our 9 behavioral signals and interest scores, which highlight the content each individual has shown the greatest interest in. Of course, all of these insights can be synced and leveraged across your activation channels. Lytics builds a tremendous amount of knowledge and potential as it relates to consumers' interactions with your content or products. Our out-of-the-box Gutenberg block makes it easy to surface relevant content or product recommendations based on each individual's past behavior in just a few clicks. Let's say we'd like to update the latest product section of our Petsy online store to surface product recommendations individually to each user. This can be achieved by first accessing the homepage within our WordPress admin panel. From the editor, we'll scroll down to find the product section we'd like to update. We'll create a new headline to highlight the recommendations. And we'll go ahead and remove the existing new product info from our page. We'll choose the content recommendation block from the Gutenberg menu and drag it to where we'd like it to appear. With the block placed, you can then customize how the recommendation will be made and what type of recommendation to display, which interest engine to use, which collection of content to use. Content collections in Lytics allow you to create custom segments of content to make a recommendation from. This means you can deliver recommendations that support business goals such as a particular product category or initiative, while still ensuring a high amount of relevance to the individual visitor. Then we'll select how many items to recommend, if you'd like to shuffle, and so on. All that is left is to save and you are done. Now, as customers visit your site, Lytics makes real-time recommendations based on your configuration and our knowledge of that visitor's behavior to drive considerable engagement. Campaigns don't have to be difficult. The Lytics personalization engine comes out of the box with advanced functionality for surfacing low-lift interactions, or widgets, to your visitors. This enables you to deliver highly targeted promotional messages, content or product recommendations, and lead capture forms to each individual in just a few minutes. To get started, we'll visit the Widgets section of the Lytics plugin. We don't currently have any widgets yet, so we'll create a new one. Now, we'll simply follow the guide to configure our widget based on a wide variety of options. We'll set a title and description to make future access within WordPress seamless. We'll choose the type of widget, in this case a lead capture. Then we'll add a headline. Additional body text, along with configuring our calls to action for the widget. Determining how and when the widget should be shown is easy. Simply select one of your target audiences from the Select menu. Keep in mind, additional audiences can be configured manually in Lytics. On top of that, you can define the URL parameters for where the widget should be shown. The layout configuration defines what the widget will look like. Should it be just a small bar at the top, a modal across the center of your page, or a slide out from the lower portion. Branding options allow you to choose one of our predefined themes for simplicity or implement your own brand colors to your liking. Display rules provide a number of options for how and when the widget will show. Perhaps you want to activate only when the visitor shows intent to exit, after a small delay. In the case of a lead capture widget, you can fully configure the input fields surfaced as well. We provide a number of options, but here we'll just ask for name and email. Finally, we'll preview our widget right inside of WordPress using the Test Widget option. That's it. From there, simply save the widget with the published state. Lytics will surface your message to visitors which meet the defined criteria right away. It's that easy. This is just the beginning when it comes to WordPress. We are actively working on deeper value through short codes, which can provide easy access to the visitor's profile within existing content, as well as display logic for Gutenberg blocks, delivering more control over the visibility of particular blocks based on attributes and segments from Lytics. As always, we'd love to collaborate. If you'd like to learn more about Lytics, have ideas on how we can expand our functionality within the WordPress or Drupal community, or want to contribute, please join our community Slack so we can dive into the details. Thanks so much for watching.